The human body is like a complex piece of machinery in that it is prone to faults and weaknesses if it is not properly maintained. And this is why today's lesson is about nutrition.
Remember to follow me on Instagram at savvyshay_tt. Subscribe, comment, and like.
Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Shay. Let's start with the definition of the term nutrition and related terms used in this lesson. Nutrients. Nutrients are when the body uses some of the molecules in food to function correctly and to stay healthy. Nutrition. Nutrition is the study of nutrients and their relationship with food and living things. Diet. Diet means the food that a person normally eats every day. Balanced diet. This is a diet that provides the correct amount of nutrients for the needs of an individual. Food is vital to life. It can be defined as solid or liquid substance which, when taken by the body, provides it with the necessary materials to enable it to grow, to replace worn out and damaged parts, and to function normally. There are 5 main groups of nutrients, and they are known as protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Each group has several members which each have their own chemical names. Macronutrients. These are needed by the body in relatively large amounts. They include protein, fat, carbohydrate, and the minimal elements sodium, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Micronutrients. These are needed by the body in smaller amounts. They include vitamins, essential fatty acids, and trace elements. For example, your minerals, iron, zinc, copper, iodine, to name. Water can also be called a nutrient as it is vital to life. There are many different nutrients. Each has its own function in the body. Each nutrient is vital to life, and the health of an individual will suffer if one or any nutrient is in short supply. Most foods contain more than one nutrient, so are of use to the body in several ways. Such foods, such as sugar, contain only one nutrient and of limited use to the body. However, no single food provides all the nutrients required by the body in sufficient quantities, so a variety of foods must be eaten. The human body is like a complex living structure. It is made up of millions of units called cells. Cells are grouped into systems containing various tissues and organs, each performing special functions. Within the body, chemical reactions and changes are continually taking place. These enable the body to carry out all the necessary functions and processes, as well as to grow and to replace damaged and worn out body cells. This complex collection of chemical reactions is called metabolism. Energy is required for all metabolic reactions, and the body must remain healthy if it is to be efficient. This is mainly achieved by the intakes of nutrients in food. Humans, like all living things, must have a regular supply. Body growth declines in adulthood. Adult needs food to maintain and repair the body and to keep it healthy. The amount of daily activity affects energy and nutrient requirements, and meals should be planned according to these needs. Nutrient requirements are determined to some extent by body size. If we eat the right foods, have a well-balanced diet, exercise, then we can safely say that our body is supplied with the right amount of nutrients needed for good health. And there are signs of good health, and these are, now I will explain some signs of good nutrition in 3 different categories. The first category will be the healthy physical appearance. The second is a feeling of well-being, and the third, a healthy condition. Someone with a healthy physical appearance should have clean, moist skin, clear eyes with no dark circles or puffiness, white teeth with no cavities, pink gums and inner lining of lips, pink tongue, not pale or coated, a pleasant breath, pink nails, or well-formed bones. A person who is showing good signs of nutrition, feeling of well-being. This person is able to do a good day's work, not easily fatigued or out of breath, cheerful even under stress, able to eat and enjoy one's meal, able to relax and to get a good night's sleep. A healthy condition. Someone with a healthy condition is able to resist disease, that is, not catching everything that is going around like the common cold or flu, neither overweight nor underweight. In some countries, they use the 6 food groups. These groups are used to help combine foods into nutritious meals according to the multi-mix principle. A country's health is improved when its citizens regularly eat nutritious foods in their daily diet. Nutritional status is the state of the body resulting from the intake and use of nutrients. In simple terms, it is how healthy the body is or how nutritionally fit an individual is. The nutritional status of an individual is influenced by the quality and quantity of food intake and the person's physical health. Small changes can make a difference to your health. Here are some tips for eating healthy. 1. Make half your plate fruits and vegetables. Choose red, orange, and dark green vegetables like tomatoes, sweet potato, and broccoli, along with other vegetables for your meal. 2. Make half the grains you eat whole grains. An easy way to eat more whole grains is to switch from a refined grain food to a whole grain food. For example, eat whole wheat bread instead of white bread. 3. Switch to fat-free or low-fat milk. Both have the same amount of calcium and other essential nutrients as whole milk, but fewer calories and less saturated fat. 4. Choose a variety of lean protein foods. Select leaner cuts of meat such as turkey breast or chicken breast. 5. Compare sodium in foods. Use the nutrition facts label to choose lower sodium versions of food like soup, bread, and frozen meals. Select canned foods label low sodium, reduced sodium, or no salt added. 6. Drink water instead of sugary drinks. By drinking water or unsweetened beverages. Thank you so very much for watching. We have come to the end of the lesson for today. And do remember, every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and you'll keep growing. Bye for now.